Welcome to 458 North 1st Street in Geneva. Step into the lower-level family room, which offers endless possibilities. Gather for movie nights or entertain at the built-in bar with a beverage fridge. Rich hardwood floors lead you to a beautifully designed chef's kitchen, featuring an oversized double island, gleaming granite countertops, and top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances. Whether hosting friends or enjoying a quiet evening, this space is perfect for every moment. Upstairs, the luxurious master suite provides a private retreat, complete with a spa-like bath and a spacious walk-in closet. 2 additional bedrooms offer comfort and versatility, perfect for family, guests, or a dedicated home office. Located just minutes from Geneva's award-winning restaurants, boutique shopping, Wheeler Park, and scenic bike trails along the Fox River, this home offers more than a place to live. It's a lifestyle. With an attached 2-car garage and custom built-in storage, every detail has been designed with you in mind. Make this dream home yours today.